Jai Swaminarayan. Myself Kumudini Nalaude, Atme Green School, Standard 6th. We are revising the chapter 10th. Okay. So I have revised the perimeter of this figure. So let's see the words problem. Okay. So second example, it's very easy. The length and breadth is given and you have to calculate the length of a tap, means we have to calculate the perimeter. Now it is little bit difference in third example. Let's see. A tabletop measures 2 meter 25 centimeter by 1 meter 50 centimeter. What is the perimeter of tabletop? So see here, the length and breadth is given in meter and centimeter. So first you have to convert them in any one unit. If here in the question it is asked in meter, so you have to convert it into meter. But here it is not compulsory, it is not given any unit, but you have to convert into one unit. So let's convert into centimeter. So 2 meter is equal to 200 centimeter, right? So 200 plus 25, we get 225 centimeter. Next 1 meter, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So 100 plus 50, we get 150. Okay, and same you have to use the formula and calculate the perimeter. Okay, third example is just like athlete. Okay, now in the fifth example you have to use different formulas. Okay, so first it is a triangle which all sides are different, so you have to use here perimeter of triangle is equal to sum of all sides. You have to take 3 plus 4 plus 5. Now say in B example it is an equilateral triangle, so which formula we will use here? We use an perimeter of equilateral triangle is equal to 3 into side. Next isosceles triangle, so you can write here sum of all side and 8 plus 8 plus 6. Get it? Now seventh example is easy. Eighth example, it is a regular hexagon. Now regular means all sides are equal. Hexagon means 6 sides. So how can you calculate here? Perimeter of regular hexagon is equal to 6 into sides. That means 6 multiplied by 8. Then you can calculate it. Okay. So same here. So let's discuss the 11th example. A piece of string 30 meter long, what will be the length of the each string is used to form square, equilateral triangle and regular hexagon. Now total length is given, okay, that means parameter is given and this string is modified into 3 shapes. First it is in square, then it is in equilateral triangle and it is in regular hexagon. That means you have to use the 3 formulae and the answer will be same, that is 30 centimeter. Okay. So see, perimeter of square is equal to 4 into side is equal to 30. Calculate side. Next, perimeter of equilateral triangle is equal to 3 into side. So it is equal to 30. 30 is equal to 3 into side. Then perimeter of regular hexagon is equal to 6 into side is equal to 30. Calculate. Okay. Now next. I think finding the cost we have discussed already. Fifth example, let's discuss. It is not difficult but little bit difference. Sweetie runs around a square park of side 75 meter. Bulbul runs around a rectangular park having 60 meter and 45 meter breadth. Who covers the less distance? First of all, you have to calculate the parameter of square park, then calculate the parameter of rectangular park and compare it. Okay. Fine. So here you have to calculate the parameter of these figures. So we completed the topic of perimeter. So let's start area. So first of all we see the definition of area. See, The amount of surface enclosed by a closed figure is called its area. Okay, underline it and remember it. The amount of surface enclosed by a closed figure is called its area. Get it? So let's start. So there are only two figures in this. First of all, we see how to calculate with the help of the square grid, that is with the graph paper. So there are three rules we have to use. So which one? I think here fourth rule are given. Let's see. The area of one full square is taken as 1 square unit. Ignore the portion it is less than half. Okay. If it is more than half, we have to count as 1, and if it is exactly half, we have to count as half square unit. Get it? Four rules are there. First, for a square is you have to calculate as 1. Then more than half you have to calculate it also 1. Is it exactly half? You have to calculate as half. It is less than half, don't calculate, neglect it. Clear? So let's start. So whether it may be regular shape or it may be a irregular shape. So let's start to calculate in our exercise. I think I have not printed exercise 10.2. So please see in book. Okay, there is not print in on the screen. Please see page number 216 in book. Okay, so I will talk about the exercise 10.2's first questions E. Okay, so let's start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay. Now see the example N, last one. So let's start calculating. 1, 2, then 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. Get it? Okay, such manners you have to calculate the squares, and in accordance to square you have to write the area. Now in area we have studied, we have just studied only two formulas, that is area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth, and area of square is equal to side into side. So let's start to revise the examples on it. First, that is find the area of rectangle whose length and breadth are 2 and 4 respectively. So you have to write here length and length of the rectangle 12 centimeter, breadth of the rectangle 4 centimeter. So area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth, that is 12 multiplied by 4. So we get 48 square centimeter. Always remember, area is always in square, whether it may be square centimeter, square meter or square kilometer. Always remember the unit of area is in square. Get it? Fine. The next example. Find the area of square plot of side 8 meter. Side of the square is equal to 8 meter. Area of square is equal to side into side, that is 8 into 8, we get 64 square meter. Okay. Now next, here in the next example area is given and we have to calculate the width. So same here, but just understand it. Area of rectangle 36 square centimeter is equal to area of rectangle is equal to 36 square centimeter. The length is 9 centimeter. We have to calculate the width. So area of rectangle is equal to length into width. So width is equal to area upon length, that is 4 centimeter. So the width of rectangle